Hi, I'm Jason Badgley, CEO of Phunkshun. We're a textile goods cut and sew manufacturer here in Denver, Colorado, specializing in sustainable manufacturing and multifunctional gear for outdoor and adventure sports. We've integrated RM Studio into virtually every facet of our manufacturing process, starting from job ticket creation to product fulfillment and shipping out the door. It's given us the ability to track the exact stage or status of an order throughout every process, whether it's cutting, sewing, printing, sublimation, quality inspection, packaging, or shipment. One of the things that really attracted us to the software and to the adoption by our employees was the ease of use, where this wasn't a hurdle with days of training and things like that. It was able to be implemented and used or usable by our staff in a matter of hours, not a matter of days or weeks. So we immediately went from manually monitoring this and having a huge delay in where things were or reporting to being able to instantly see in real time where a job or production is at that given time. If you're like us and you were using notepads, spreadsheets, shared docs, things like that, and relying on people to provide the same level of clarity or typing or their handwriting that we were, this has been a game changer. This has absolutely saved us time, saved us money, increased our efficacy and efficiency without a doubt.